to Acu-Rite Solutions video tips of the day. Today, we're going to get started by powering up our control and finding home. So reach back, click the control on, and see it's powered up, going through its loop. It's powered up, so turn on the stop. Shooting stop. I want the stops more than a couple inches in my Z, in my X, and in my Y. So I'm going to go ahead, follow directions here, press find home. It's going to go Z. It's going to go Y. It's going to go X. This machine has a W scale to the V, and it's coupled with a Z, so I find home on that as well. Successfully found home. Power up, find home.